Happy holidays all. My favorite time of year, when we all make our homes the most cozy, magical places. I love my new tabletop snow-covered tree by the Haute Decor brand. This small Christmas tree is battery operated and has 4 different brightness settings, so you can choose the lowest setting and use it as a holiday night light. The battery container includes the off-on button that you toggle to select your desired brightness. After turning it on, you simply store the control box in the tree's pretty red pot. When you turn on the tree's lights, it will remain on for 6 hours, and then automatically turn itself off. Easy peasy. The tree measures 20 inches tall and about 14 inches wide after you straighten out the branches upon delivery. It has 25 LED lights evenly dispersed, so it looks wonderful from all sides. Let's have some fun and see where it looks best in my home. This is one of our extra rooms. Our guests love when we decorate all the rooms of the house for the holidays, and I'm sure our sweet little grandniece Lily will love to sleep in this cozy room after we tucker her out at the next family holiday party. Well, see, now I have a problem. I like the Haute Decor mini tree in our guest bathroom as well. I can't even decide where in the bathroom I'd like to put it. Oh my, please don't laugh at me, because I'm still not decided. Maybe I shall place it in my living room, so that we can all enjoy gazing at it. This tree comes in 2 other styles. Select the one that tickles you best. Happy holidays everyone. Ta-ta for now.